Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to unlink the OneDrive from Windows 11 operating system. Go to folders and here we can see OneDrive. Okay, right click on this OneDrive personal and go to OneDrive, and from OneDrive go to settings. Here we can see in the account section there is an option unlink this PC. Click on this link. Okay, so it will unlink the OneDrive from your laptop or desktop. Click on this. Here it is asking unlink account on this PC. Your OneDrive files will stop syncing. Locally available files will remain on this device while online only files will be removed. Click on unlink account. Okay, and here you can see OneDrive personal, it has not signed in, so it has completely unlinked the OneDrive from Windows 11 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next video.